Hello everyone, it's your host with the most. So let's raise a toast. The only one from Topics and Reviews, back with another exciting video. Today we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Ziyoulang K87. This sleek and stylish keyboard is designed to elevate your typing experience with its red switches. But before we get into the details, let's talk about what makes the Ziyoulang K87 stand out in the crowd. The Ziyoulang K87 keyboard is an 87% mechanical keyboard designed for enthusiasts and gamers. It is famous for its compact form factor and customizable features. Ziyoulang translates to Freedom Wolf in Chinese, reflecting its bold and dynamic design character. Red switches are a type of mechanical switch known for their smooth and linear actuation. They require less force to actuate compared to other switches, making them suitable for fast typing and gaming. Red switches typically have no tactile bump or audible click, providing a quieter typing experience. These switches are often favored by gamers for their rapid response and smooth key presses. Red switches sound test. Compact design. The Ziyoulang K87 features a compact design, making it suitable for users with limited desk space or those who prefer a minimalist setup. Its smaller footprint allows for more efficient use of desk space and easier portability. Despite its compact size, the keyboard maintains a full-size layout, ensuring all standard keys are present and easily accessible. The compact design also enhances the keyboard's aesthetic appeal, giving it a sleek and modern look. Introduction to red switches. The switch first appeared in November 2008 on the streets of Tokyo. The Cherry G80-3600 keyboard was marketed and distributed exclusively in Japan by the computer hardware company SAI. Switches are generally categorized into three types that indicate their design: tactile, linear, and clicky. Tactile has a tactile bump during the key press before bottom out. Linear has a smooth key press with no tactile bump. Clicky has a tactile bump and an audible click sound. Linear switch feel. The MX Red switch, or the red switch, is a linear switch, meaning that it has no tactile or clicky feedback. This makes it a great choice for gamers who want a smooth, responsive feel. The low spring resistance also means that the switches trigger directly, so you can react quickly to in-game action, and red switches are smooth and consistent. Let's talk about the build quality of the Ziyoulang K87 keyboard. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel its solid construction. The keyboard has a robust yet sleek design with a sturdy plastic frame that feels substantial without being overly heavy. The matte finish gives it a premium look and feel, while also minimizing fingerprints and smudges, which is always a plus. One aspect that particularly stands out is the stability of the keyboard. It sits firmly on the desk without any noticeable flex or wobble, thanks to its solid build and anti-slip pads on the bottom. This stability adds to the overall sense of quality and durability, giving you confidence that the keyboard will withstand prolonged use without any issues. Gaming performance. While primarily marketed as a keyboard for day-to-day use, the Ziyoulang K87 can also hold its own in gaming scenarios. The red switches offer a good balance between actuation force and responsiveness, making them suitable for gaming genres that require quick reflexes and precise inputs, such as FPS or MOBA games. For office work, the Ziyoulang K87's compact design and ergonomic layout make it a practical choice. Its tankulous form factor saves space on your desk, allowing for better organization and a more comfortable working environment. The red switches provide a quiet typing experience, minimizing distractions in a shared office space. The Ziyoulang K87 is a premium mechanical keyboard known for its exceptional build quality and impressive features. Equipped with responsive red switches, typing on this keyboard is an absolute delight, whether you're gaming or tackling day-to-day tasks. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them down in the comments section below. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment as always. Remember to stay curious, everyone. Thank you for watching.